What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, man. I'm back with a nothing, baby. So look, bro, we just gonna get straight into this like this, bro. So somebody asked me, can you buy up under other dealers? The question is yes, but somebody asked me, would you recommend doing it? So I'm finna just give y'all my opinions and my takes on the situation. So when you buying up under other dealers, or you trying to, people talking about rent license or leasing license or whatever, all that shit is shit made up to make profit for people. You feel me? Because it's like one person got their dealer license and they capitalizing off of it. So when you go that way about buying cars, your car's gonna be more expensive, bro. Because if the car $800, he might mark the car up and say it's $1,500. If the car, if he don't want, he gonna charge you for the title. You know what I'm saying? The title come free when you buy the car, but he gonna charge you for the title. He gonna charge you for each car you buy. He gonna mark each car you buy up. And he gonna charge you a monthly fee to keep buying under his license. He might, if you ain't got nowhere to put him, he gonna charge you a storage fee for keeping them on his lot. After you fix them and get ready to sell them, he gonna sell them and charge you taxes on it. It's just a lot of different bullshit that come with it. If I was you, and I wanted to get in the game under somebody else's license or whatever, I probably wouldn't do that shit. I'd probably hustle. I'd probably go on Craigslist, Facebook, Marketplace, and I hit, the other little auctions. I do the word to mouth thing, go through the neighborhood looking for cars that I get the clear title to, and you know what I'm saying, that I can just strike a deal with somebody right then and there. You ain't got to go through all the complicated stuff. Even when you buying under other people's dealer license, let's say you buy out of state, they gonna mark the transporting fees up. It's all a catch to get money up out of you so they can keep making money. You know what I'm saying? So I wouldn't do it. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of ways that I can tell you how to get in auctions without dealer license, or get in auctions through brokers. You know what I'm saying? So it's the same situation a little bit, but it's more control. Soon you buy the car, the broker gonna sign the title over and mail it to you. Soon you buy the car. Buying through somebody else's dealer license, they gonna play games. They gonna tell you they want $150 per car. They gonna charge you $60 or $70 for the title. They gonna charge you for everything they gotta do. They gonna charge you for. They might even charge you for the bill of sales. So I wouldn't buy up under another dealer being experienced. But if that's the only option you got, I'll make a few plays with them, then I'm out of there doing my own thing. You know what I'm saying? If y'all been following my videos, y'all know how to get cars. The inventory ain't the problem. People just want to feel like they a dealer, or people want to feel like they a boss or something in the situation. Man, look at this shit for what it is. You looking for inventory. So I don't care if you get your inventory from the junkyard. It's a lot of junkyard sell cars. You feel me? And you can buy them cars from the junkyard and fix them up and sell them for more. You ain't just gotta go to the auction. You ain't gotta go to a dealer auction. It's a lot of different auctions out here that you can go to. You can go to tow lot auctions. And I done put that all over the channel. Go watch that video if you ain't seen that. But if I was you, bro, I wouldn't do it. You know what I'm saying? But if that was my only option, I would. But if y'all like this value that I'm giving y'all, bro, like, comment, subscribe. And if y'all feel like y'all want to get into this, bro, I'm gonna start doing one-on-ones, bro. I gotta get everything together, and I'm gonna start doing one-on-ones for the people that want to know how to do this. I'm a real person. I ain't got time for the bullshit. You pay your one price, whatever, and I'm gonna tell you what you need to do to get in these auctions, bro. Just like that. And I'm out this biatch.